Today I'm going to show you how to reactivate your Twitter account. So let's get into it. First, what you have to do is open your apps library, and here you have to open your Twitter app, or you can also log in using your Chrome. Here in the Chrome browser you have to search for the twitter.com. To reactivate your Twitter account you have to do nothing. Just what you have to do is you have to log in using your email credentials. It's pretty simple and easy, and it has no rocket science behind it. Now you don't need to worry about it if you have accidentally deactivated your account. To show you the evidence, I'm just going to open this Twitter article here. As you can see, that just in case if you accidentally deactivated your account, you can reactivate your account anytime. Twitter gives you a 30-day period to reactivate your account. So that's how you can reactivate your Twitter account.